guys, welcome to a new video, and this is the last one of our camping trip 2022, the ultimate adventure from Macedonia to Nordkapp in Norway and down to Greece from Italy. And now we are about to prepare the caravan, finish our trip and be off to Macedonia, drive the 500 kilometers that are left, and put our caravan in winter mode, and then hibernate for a few months before we start our new trip. I'm not gonna reveal where just yet, because I want everything to be planned first, partially, before we address that matter. We are currently in Camping Armenistis on the second finger of Halkidiki Peninsula in North Greece. It's a beautiful beach where we are now, and we are here in late September, so it's very quiet. The camping itself is decent. We had a very nice spot right on the beach. The facilities are okay, I will say. There is a supermarket, well equipped with everything you might need. There is a meat shop in the season. There is a restaurant, a bar, playground, and yeah, the beach is beautiful. It's amazing, and I highly recommend it. The thing is that the people here that are working told me that in high season they had 3,000 guests, which is crazy. And the problem is that they have daily visitors, so there is a parking and people are coming daily here. I don't know if they're paying tickets, but that increases the number of guests, even though they say that you are not allowed to use... Just a second. What, babe? Yeah. Even if they say that and they warn that guests are not allowed to use the facilities of the campsite, they are still using them. So there are extra number of people who are using the toilets, which is a mess. I think that they're cleaning quite often, but still they cannot manage, and that's why they are in this state that they are. Well, we are here. I went to Zampetas, which is like a mega store for camping in Greece. It's not really a mega market, but it has everything that you might need. So there is not like these small bits and pieces that totally useless and nobody buys them, but you have all the necessity things. We needed the grid, actually vent grill, that goes on the wall of the caravan, and it's used for ventilation of the fridge. It's a Dometic brand, and I managed to find it in Zampetas. It was 50 euro, roughly 50 euro. And also I bought some other bits and pieces like the curtain, cat's tail, and garbage can, and yeah, and the blue can that I use. I am off to bed now, and then tomorrow we start packing and start driving towards Macedonia, where this video will end. So have a good night and see you in the morning. back in Skopje, Macedonia after 6 months of trip. Finally from wherever it started at my mama's house, where we're gonna be placing the caravan now, and then off back home to see our cats and everything else. Thank you for following this trip. Now let's put the caravan inside.
Gledam.
Polega tamo, ne brzite.
Ajde.
Žuni, gledaš?
Gledam, ono slowly.
Polega, uspori malo se.
Dobro?
Tu kao da nemam staklo.
Ne, ima mjesto, ima. Samo ta kapagot sam zatvori tamo. Kad struja ta kapagot.
You gonna take out or not?
Ajde.
Da.
Ne.
Super. Stopne.
Poleka, we're getting to the
Ajde
end.
se ušte malo se. Okej.
Stop!
Ne. Baka dobro je, da ostane malce da može ovdje da dižemo.
Dobro, kako je daki
Super si. Poslije kojeg je vadam tijek i se bliže možete.
Da.
Sjeda da sve super si.
We are done. See you in the next video.